Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel which is named as techwebuniversity.com. Here we teach all technology related stuff over here. You'll be getting all the related technology, what is the new upcomings in the technology, everything will be getting over here. How to handle your PC carefully, how to use WhatsApp and many other technological things here we will be getting. Okay, so today we'll be discussing about Google. Google is a huge platform. Okay, it is not only used for search but it is used for many other purposes. You might be thinking Google it is just used for search. But today here I'll be showing you such a tricks and tips that it will be helping you throughout your life and it will enhance your work. Okay, you will enhance your working skills and all. You'll be able to do your work more faster. Okay, so let's start. Let's see. So here is our Google Chrome. I will open this. Suppose someone has given you very huge number. Now he has said you to, just figure it out and just tell me in the words what it will be like. I mentioned here like this. So now you have said me to spell it out. It's very difficult for me to spell it out. But if I'm going in my Chrome and in the address bar, just I will type here, see here, just one more time. I'm going in my Google Chrome. Yeah, you can see the result over here, 454,545,455. So was it a good trick? You can use this tip and you can answer anyone and become a smart user. Okay, tip number 2. Now, next is for like graphic designers and like if we want to use the color code in HTML. So how to find out that very quickly. So here is the other one that will be from search. It is a color picker. Yeah. If you're typing over here, see here are all color schemes. Like here you can see that color in CMYK, hexagon and all these things are there. You can just take your cursor on this and you can see all the related things, all the codes like for RGB or CMYK or other stuffs. You can see over here. Okay, you can just take it over here and you can see all the related codes for the colors. So that was my tip number 2. Was it interesting? It is great useful for the graphic designer, for HTML coders to find it out. Next, it will be like if you're very much bored in your work and you want to play some game online, but you don't want to install them, you want to play it online. So you can type here like Pac-Man or Doodle Game. Okay. Yeah, here you can play and if you're getting bored on your work, you can easily play them up. Okay, so this was my tip number 3. Next one is from Google. Yeah. Suppose someone has given you an image of a plant or something and you want to find out what is the name of that plant. Suppose you have some plant at home. You don't know the name of that plant exactly. So you can click the photo out and you can check it out from Google image. Okay, so for doing that, you just need to go Google one more time, Google, and here in the Google, you can search on image. Okay, so like I will type plant, for example, plant images, type like this, and here you will be getting image to see. So just click on the image. Once you click on the image, you will be getting over here. Okay, so here I will click and I already have one plant at home. I have taken the photo of it. Just click on choose the file and we can choose the plant and just click on open. And here we go. It is showing it's a rubber plant and all the related stuff has occurred over here. You can see all the things related to it. So you can quickly find out anything you don't know, but you can click the photo and easily find it out in the Google. One more time we will just see. So again I will go here on the image search. Here in the right in the camera you can see over here. Just click on it, upload an image, choose the file. Okay, you can do it like this. Now this is Madhuri Dixit. I know, but if someone don't know, you have an image and you want to find out, so let's see what it shows. Yeah, here it comes. You can see all the related information, who is she, what is she, and everything you can see Okay, all the related information on this. There are two parts in this. You can directly paste the URL also of some website, or you can upload an image. So that was the another tip from the Google. Next is now for the blogger. Suppose you are a blogger and you know the keywords are very essential for the blogger. Suppose you want to find out instant keywords like the real data, like the users what they search, and this is the keywords which are very useful for the bloggers. So let's see like how to find the keywords on the Google itself. Like see, I'm typing here how to make money online for an example. See, here you can see all the related keywords for your niche, and this keyword you can copy and you can put on your blog. Okay, so wasn't it very much interesting? Okay, for this you should like my channel, and I'll be giving you more and more interesting tips like this. So next is my calculation thing, which you can do immediately. Suppose someone has given you a number like 12 plus 5 plus into 900 plus 1000. So you can see easily you're getting a result over here. No need of using Calci or any other stuff. You can easily find out the number in the Google address bar, Chrome address bar. Okay. So this was for making calculation much faster. Next one is suppose now you have misplaced your mobile phone somewhere and you're not finding it where your mobile is. So here also one tip is there which will be very useful. You can just go in Google and type find my device. Before that, but your this thing Google or Gmail should be signed in, which is signed in the mobile also. Okay, the same ID should be signed here and in your mobile too. So here you click on find my device. This is a very important, very useful. I also use this many a times in office. Sometimes if someone makes a prank with me and hides my mobile, so I get out my mobile from this stuff. Okay, so let's find it out. Find my device. You can just go over here and it will show my current mobile location. Where is my mobile? Okay, so it will be showing you in here. So the location will be coming on the map. See, you can see over here, my mobile is here. It is showing you in circle form. Okay, so it shows the mobile over here. Next is here you can see you can play this sound. If someone has put your mobile phone on mute, or if he has shut down your mobile also, then also you can play a sound. This sound will be played, your ringtone will be played for 5 minutes, and you can find it out your mobile wherever someone has robbed it out or kept it for a prank, you can find it out. You can also secure your device by using all other stuff, like you can sign out from the Google. Okay, you can sign out from the Google, or you can erase out all your information from the mobile. So wasn't it a great tip? Please like my channel, okay, for all this tip if you want in further also. Next I'll be showing again something like you want to use some image, but you know there is a copyright strike. You cannot use directly image from the Google. So how to find out copyright images from the Google? Let's see. Suppose now I want to find out some image of a computer. Let's see how to find out. Suppose I written computer and I click on the images. Here you're getting all the stuff, but these are copyright images. We have to filter it out. Let's see how to filter it one by one. You can go in settings, tools, settings, and here you can click on advanced search. Here also you may get, but here is also another one. You can use this one, advanced search, and here you down you have to go, and here you have to mention it free to use, share, or modify even commercially. This option has to be checked and click on advanced search. That's it. Now these images are very much free to use and they are copyright. Okay, so you won't get any copyright strike on any of the blog or anything after using these images. You can also use this thing from here also. Okay, label for non-commercial, label for reuse. These things can also be used. Okay, or you can go in tools, and in tools go for settings, and setting advanced search, and in advanced search you can go below and you can do this and you can click on advanced search. Next one, Next, my tip is like if you are learning some language, like I want to just say in Hindi, kaise ho, okay, and I want to convert it into an English. So let's see, press enter, you will get instant. Okay, it's on images, that's why it is showing. See, kaise ho, how are you? Okay, so it will automatically detect and it will translate your words and it will immediately show you. So you can use this stuff. This is also very useful. Sometimes if you won't find, you won't get the meaning of what the person is saying, you can instantly use this Google and you can find it out. Next one. Next one is like this will be also very much useful if you're very much fond of movie and if you want to download some movie or you want to see the movie online. But many a time when we go on the Google, you will get what lot of things like it will be just spamming or something, like you're going in that but you're not able to get the movie download. They will just say click here, click there, and you're getting multiple ads but you're not getting the picture you want. So I have one very great tip for you. Just suppose you want to find out some movie now. I will just type over here like I want to see Padmavati, and you can just type here Google Drive and press enter. Once you press enter, you will be getting to see all the related thing. Whoever has put the Padmavati image in the Google Drive, you'll be able to access it out. Okay, so let's see. Let's open the first link and find it out. Yeah. See, Padmavati movie and this and also you can see the picture. You can directly play the picture and you can enjoy. Okay, I hope you are enjoyed and learn a lot of from my this YouTube channel, and whatever tips I given, I think definitely you will share with your friends. So I please just tell you to just please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share also. Okay, that's was for today. Thank you friends. See you in the next.